Hello everyone, the NEAR protocol had just launched, and this app is coming from the Hot Wallet and is solidly backed by Hot Wallet. So they are launching their first official app, and at the same time they are conducting an airdrop for the community, and this airdrop is 100k amount of the NPRO token that will be given officially to the community. So the campaign is still on currently. If you are watching this video today here in this channel, you are super early to enroll in this airdrop. This airdrop here is going to be given free of charge. You don't have to pay anything or do anything. Just what you have to do is just to complete a little task right in the app, to download the app and then import your password or your seed phrase from your Hot Wallet, or you can decide to create a new one. But I recommend you importing your wallet straight from your Hot Wallet. Okay, so when you import your Hot Wallet straight into the app, into this NEAR app, then I'm going to be showing you how to do the task so that you can be earning points and so that you can stay qualified for the airdrop that will be coming on the 15th. All right, so currently here they are in their first campaign, and their first campaign is just going to last for within the range of August 18 to this August. The airdrop started August 18th and it's going to be ending by September 5th of September. Okay, it's going to be ending by 15th of September. You can see it right here. Okay, you can see it right here. The airdrop is going to be ending 15th of October. It started 18th of August, just this month that it started, and it's going to be ending 15th of October. All right, so after the airdrop ends, then the listing is going to happen by September. So you are left with no chance than to enroll in this airdrop, do the task and stay positioned. This is going to pay because this is solidly conducted by Hot Wallet itself. All right, so I advise you to take part in this project and don't miss out for any reason. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to complete the task and be earning your points that will be converted to the tokens and listing. And also, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a videos regarding the listing of this project and other feature updates, you are going to be updated. And do your best to ensure you join the community, because that is where I'll be updating you on future updates when it comes. So without further ado, let's get started. So the app has downloaded. I'll just go ahead and open it immediately. You wait for it to load. So after loading, you can now see create wallet. You can either decide to create a wallet, or you can import your Hot Wallet straight into this place. I just want to, since I already have a Hot Wallet before, I'll just come over here and just import it directly. All right, so I'll go and copy my seed phrase from where I kept it. You can go and copy your seed phrase from your notepad or wherever you saved it and click on this import section right here and import it directly. Okay, then you click on enter mnemonic. All right, then you just go and copy your seed phrase and insert right here and paste it. All right, so after pasting your seed phrase, now you can go ahead and click on continue. Okay, go ahead and click on continue. All right, you click on continue right here and it will be imported automatically. Ensure when you are doing this your network is stable. Okay, so in order for you to start the airdrop, what you have to be doing is, here is my home page, here is my dashboard in the NEAR mobile app. I will just click over here, the NPRO section. When you click on the NPRO section, it will take you to the next tab page. Here is the next page. What you'll be doing right now is, you can see here that the phase 1 of this airdrop will be ending in 25 days. So what you'll be doing to be earning points is just to follow them on Twitter. You quote their post and then you invite friends. That's all. Okay, that's all. Okay, That's what you'll be doing. And also you have to click also give a review right here. You have to just write anything, any good post and review the post, okay? But what is actually giving you point is your invite, your quote, and by following them on this on X. All right, that is what you are gonna be doing actually, okay? So let's go over and do it. So I'll just click on follow. It will redirect me to Twitter. So when it directs me to Twitter, you can now see that this follow button has just popped out. So you just click on that follow button immediately, and you are now following them. All right, then you just scroll back a little and do the second one. So you can see here that after doing it, they will ask you to, after following them on Twitter, they will ask you to input your X username. All right, so go ahead and copy your X username and insert right there. Okay, so I will now insert my X username so that they can verify that I really did the task. That's why it is needed. All right, so I just add my X username right here. But if you are not sure of your X username, you have to go and confirm your X username. All right, so you have to go back to your X and confirm your username so that you don't do mistake. Okay. So just go back to Twitter and confirm our username. So you head over here. In order for you to confirm your username on Twitter, just head over here. In case you have forgotten, just head over there. You can see here that this is my username. All right, this is my username. Okay, so I'll just go back and go and insert at chat scientist, which is my username. All right, in case you've forgotten, that is how you get your username. Okay, so I'll insert at chat scientist right here, and then you click on verify. After inserting it, you can see here that the task has been done. All right, it will pop up this. Whenever it pop up this, don't worry, just click on close. You have done that task successfully. All right, so you can see 5 points has been added to me. So I'll go ahead and do the next post. The next post, we are going to be requoting them. All right, we'll quote the post. So we'll go ahead and quote the post. We'll quote their post right here. So here is the post that we are going to be quoting. So we'll click on post. We'll click right here on post. You click on it. When you click on it, you click on got it. This might load up, okay? Don't worry, just click on got it. And then you click on, you can click your profile to go and see the post that you've quoted. So why we are actually quoting those posts, because we just want to send it to our page. All right, that is the quoting that they want us to do, just to send it to our page. Okay, but if it doesn't load up on time, just go back and quote it again. If your X is taking a lot of time, just go back and quote the post again. So we just click on it once again. Let it take us to our page. This is the post. It has showed up. This is the post that we are actually quoting. So in order for us to quote this post, we are just going to click on this post. All right. After clicking on that post, you are going to copy the link. Okay. They say we should enter our quote URL. So you click on post again. If it still does that, I think you have to go straight to your X and check your dashboard. Or if you go straight to your X, just click on post, then go straight to your X and copy it directly. Let's head over here. Then let's head over to profile. Then after heading over to profile, now you can see here that quote, this is the post that we've quoted. This is the post that we've quoted. It is right here sitting on our Twitter. So what we have to do is just come over here and copy this link. You have to just copy this link. Alright? When you copy this link right here now, you now go back to that page, go back to the app. We are going to be dropping this link directly. Alright? We are now back in the app. We are going to be clicking in the post again. Then when you click in that post again, just zoom it back and go back to that page. And we just want to see this column, this post column. That's what we just want to see. So we'll click on this post column and insert that link that we copied from Twitter, okay? And after inserting that link we copied from Twitter, now you now click on verify. And then you wait for it to verify. You click on close. You can see that 5 points has been added successfully. Alright, 5 points has been added successfully. So that any friend you invite right here, there is 10 points that is going to be added to you. So whosoever you invite, you are going to be getting 10 points. Okay, so do your best to share your link to your friends so that you can earn more of the airdrop when it finally launched on the 15th. Okay, so that's what you just have to do here in the airdrop. So the first thing, as I said, is just to follow them on Twitter. So you repost them. After reposting them, just be inviting your friends. Okay, just be inviting your friends with your link. So that's how you do the airdrop. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell button so that whenever I drop a video, you're gonna be updated. See you in the next video.